Hello everyone and welcome back, it's Marina here and today we're making this Valentine's card using the latest release Gnome Valentine by Nitwit Collcetions. You will find the link to this adorable bundle down below in the description area. For the base I cut a piece of white cardstock 20 by 21 cm and fold it in half on the short side. I am using 300 GSM weight cardstock for the base and I am printing all these elements as well as the digital papers in a 250 GSM weight cardstock. I am using foam tapes on the back of these three windows just to give a little dimension. The card is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me your comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!